How to enable or disable use Find My Device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more security settings. Now in here, scroll down and tap on theft protection. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on find and erase your device. At the top here, tap on use Find My Device. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn it off, you need to verify your identity. And that's it. It is now turned off. If you want to turn it back on, just tap on the toggle button to switch it on and then verify yourself. From here, you can use Find My Device app or Find My Device from the web page. And that's it. You can also perform remote lock. So if this device is lost or stolen, you can block it using your phone number. So here, use remote lock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.